Hey everybody, welcome back to Kreationz, and today we're taking the back door panel off this car. This is an Audi A6, but a lot of these Audis that are four-door all are basically put on the same way. So watch this video and then see if yours is the same. Like I said, most of them are. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the door panel off, and then you can get to the speaker, the handle here, all kind of stuff that you need to fix, another speaker down here. So let's go ahead and show you the two screws and the little secret on how to get this door panel off. So the first thing is that there's a Phillips screw right here, and we're going to take that out. And if you come on the inside of the door, there's a Phillips screw right here also. See it? Now, on all the doors, there's these little window locks. Underneath the window lock happens to be this little hole here. See the hole? So you stick something, a wheel screwdriver or a pick up in the hole. It'll pop this up. You take it out, disconnect this, take these two off, lift the panel up, and the panel should come off. Then you can disconnect it. Let's go ahead and show you how it's done. So I take a little pick, and find the little hole, and just push around in there till I find the piece. Stick this in there, pop this up, and wiggle this forward a little bit, and there's a sensor in here. You want to be careful of your upholstery. You got to turn it around, then you push on the little lip of the sensor on the side right here, pull away, and we'll get a close-up look of how to do that. And then just take the two screws out. Right here. I have two. Now once you got both of those off, I try to give it a little bump on both sides. Lift up. And out. There it is. Now it'll come out. Now remember, there's a piece on here for your door, so I'm going to bring the camera in closer so you can see it. Now pull the door close to you, pull the flap back. You'll see this little piece here. You don't want to damage this, so you get as close as you can and pull straight out and pop the piece out. You pop it back in the same way, pop straight out. Then you're gonna finagle the door a little bit to get the hook off. So we just lift the door up a little bit, take the hook out. Here's the hook. All right, then we have a couple of little, we got one sensor here, one sensor here we have to find. So we open up this again. And this is the door sensor that I told you to took out earlier that was right here. So we're gonna push that through, a little rubber piece right here. I'm gonna pull that out. Now, unfortunately, mine has an extra wire right here, this blue wire that was spliced into the speaker. Yours isn't gonna have that, so don't worry about that little wire. All you would need to do is disconnect this last wire right here by opening up these two pieces and pulling on it at the same time. And that'll come apart. And that's about it. You just pull this stuff out. And that's all she wrote.